Alright guys, this is me again. Getting ready to replace this Ford 2009 Ford E350 heavy duty van. It's like one of those Ecoline. It's like the E350 van. I'm replacing this alternator. Yep, pretty much. Yep, this is 13 millimeter right here. The main power, and you got a plug. It has the let me see how many wire you got on this alternator. I believe this alternator has 3 wire. Yep, it has 3 wire, guys. Check it out. So pretty much to be able to remove this alternator, you have to remove this filter housing. After you remove this filter housing, and then you gotta take this bracket right here. This bracket goes, this one right here. You have to remove this bracket. You only take 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 10 millimeter bolts, which is hold that one right there. And then you gotta remove this pigtail connector, and also 13 millimeter power. You have to remove that, the 13 millimeter, and also make sure you remove the serpent belt. So the alternator right here is bad because it's not charging. Yep. So we gotta replace it. When I did the battery charging test, this alternator only getting I believe it's dropping down to 11, and it will go back up. I don't know what it is. Some do with the idle problem, I guess. So we are replacing that one. That's the bad alternator. So this is the new alternator. So don't forget to put this guide right here, the 10 millimeter guide. So you can put it, you don't have to remove it completely. You could just screw it halfway. So you could put this 2 bottom bracket when installing the alternator. And pretty much that's it, guys. That's how you replace the alternator, man. Put it back exactly how you remove it. Pretty easy, guys. Check it out. Let's put this right here. This bracket. Make sure you put this alternator bracket. And the back, this one right here, the close end one, it goes all the way to the back. It goes all the way to the back, guys. Just like that. See? Same thing with this one. It's pretty easy, guys. That's how I replace this alternator. Just like this. And then this one with the little bracket on top, that one goes to the front. And then you just gotta tighten all of them with the 10 millimeter socket. And same thing the bottom. Yep, that's how you do it, guys. I'm using this one right here. Alright, guys, I got all the bolts nice and tight. So the second thing you have to do now, actually, make sure you put this pigtail back in there. Make sure it's snapped in nice and easy. Yep, you hear that snap? You know it's all the way in. Make sure you put this little connector, and it's gonna be a 13 millimeter. Goes to hold that main power, and then you're gonna switch it to 13 millimeter socket, guys. Alright, guys, we got everything nice and tight. So we got all the bolt, all the nuts on the alternator. Now we're gonna put the belt. Now to be able to put the belt, make sure you do the tension right there. You take half inch ratchet. See, we're just gonna get them right there. See that, guys? You just gotta guide it nice and easy. There it is. That's it, guys. All right, guys, we got the belt in there, guys. Check it out. See, we got all the belt. All we gotta do now, put this. We just gotta put this this air filter housing back in there. Yep, that's how you do it, guys. Alright, guys, we're all done. We got it nice and tight, except for that one right there. We just gotta tighten that up right there, and this bolt right here. There's another 2 bolt holding the air filter housing. 2 bolt right there, and 2 bolt right here, and that one. That's it, guys. That's how you do it. Yep.